Hi traders, how are you? I hope you had a profitable day today. Also today it was a very strange day for me, and I think also for the other traders. Now I was looking at EURJPY that we still have almost 5 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and I want to see if it's going to reject from this area or maybe it's going to continue to go up, because also I can see that the GPY is very weak, and euro and including GBP, the other pair that I'm looking for too, they are gaining strength. Although on my group I have sent that I have a buy on GJ, but I don't have any problems because I'm pretty sure that the price will continue to go up. And I had this buy because I saw that this candle, it closed above this resistance, and I said that it's a very good opportunity for the price to continue to go up. And also, as we can see here, we have these clean candles here that most probably the price will continue again to 150. The thing is that I gave a buy because here we had, let me do it a little bit smaller, because here we had this rejection here, plus here the price created, how you say, a support, and here we had a range zone, but unfortunately I didn't have time to place the buy right here, okay, because I had two options, that I will place the buy after it's going to break this box, or maybe I'm going to have a sell if the price it will close and break under this support, okay, which it was around 148.50, somewhere there, okay. But now I said why I gave this buy, and I'm still in the trade and I'm waiting to see what's going on with this one, but I'm pretty sure that the price will continue to go up. Plus I want to, let me delete this one, plus if we go on the 4-hour chart, in my mind it's like, okay, the price, it was at 150, rejected from here, came back down again. It's like supply and demand, okay, they attract each other like a magnet, okay. Maybe the guys that they took courses with me, they know exactly what I'm talking about. So the price rejected from here, it came back down here at 147.335, around this area, and as you can see here we had this rejection, and plus we have this rejection to here. And in my mind it's like, if I'm taking, let me take my brush, it looks like a W, okay. So I'm thinking that the price will do something like this, okay. Don't imagine that it will do it today, okay. It can do it until Friday, I don't know, but this is my idea about GJ. Plus I think that you should be very careful now in this period when you are trading, because also we started a new month of trading, and I am pretty sure that what happened last year, it's going to repeat also in this year. And if you remember, when I had I don't know, few live streams ago, I said that March is going to be a crazy month because we will have a lot of volatility. Plus in February we had this crazy thing with the Bitcoin, okay, with the Elon Musk and so on. So the thing went, let's say, a little bit crazy. To be honest, I found at myself a little bit of instability, but I'm pretty sure that I will come back with fresh, how you say, with fresh signals, let's say, okay, because also not from tomorrow, but starting from Thursday I want to do the live stream a little bit earlier, okay? And I will post it also on my Instagram if you are following me, and also for the guys that they are already on my group, I will post it there and I will say exactly the time, because I think that around this time right now, I don't know what's happening with the market, but I'm trying to do the live streams when I see the market that it's moving, okay? So it seems like right now the market is not moving so so good, and I think I should change the hour because I want to take trades live, okay, and you to take the trades in the same time with me. I have here some questions. Wait, because my laptop is too far away. What he said here, he said that he can afford $50 to a real trade. He feels bad when you got potential to trade but not money. If you don't have more than $50 on your account, I think you should not start to trade, because I mean, if you want to trade, to be honest, you need some money in a bank account, because from money you make money, okay? It's very difficult to make money from an account of $50. So if you want to make money, you have to invest, okay? So it's like if you want to look good or to have a nice car, you have to invest in it, and then you can show off. I don't know how to say it, okay? Now I was saying about GJ. It started the new 1 hour and the last hour of the 4-hour candle, and it seems like the price is rejecting from here, but I don't mind. Although I told you I'm playing from my profit, so I don't feel bad at all, and I'm not afraid because already I'm in a drawdown. And you should not feel afraid when sometimes you are having trades and you will see your pair going in, the price going into a drawdown, because imagine, and it's logical, that the price, it cannot shoot right up or down and you to make money very fast, okay? It can happen. So when things like this can happen in trading, you should you should know how to manage your trade, okay? And you don't have to feel bad or to feel I don't know, scared if you will see that you will have some minus there, okay, on your account. So this is also very important, how you trade, okay? Good. Let's continue with EURJPY, because also I told you on this pair I have I think that I will have a trade, and I really want to see how the price will arrange, okay, around this hour. Plus I want to see how this 4-hour candle will close, because like this, let's say, it can give me a direction, okay? When it was this beautiful move right here, I'm sorry, but I didn't have time to catch it. It was a very beautiful move, and unfortunately I couldn't have it, and now I'm trying to find an entry where I can make pips. In the same time, I was looking at EURJPY, and EURJPY, it seems like this one, it can do exactly like this, you know? Okay, this is too far, but this is one of the ideas, okay? I'm not already in the trade, but I am telling you that here we can have a sell. Let me see on the 4-hour how this yeah, it could be a good idea, but first I want to wait how this 4-hour candle it will close, because if you look, so I'm not already in the trade, okay, I will tell you when I will. So I have this rejection here, this one, and I want to see, let me remove this one, by the way, and maybe let me see how the price will move here, okay. So if you look, and maybe we can put like a trend line. Let me remove this one. To be honest, I am expecting Euro GBP to fall. Okay, let's say that we can play like this. This is on the 4-hour, and it's like we are trying to create like a channel right now, okay. And this is one of the possibilities, but in the same time, even that the 4-hour candle it didn't close, sometimes how do I say, the price is creating like a fake out, and we can see that the price it may break, let's say, this trend line, and it can come to this area and then to come back up again. So that's why I said that I'm not already in the trade, but it was an idea, because I can see that the price closed under this resistance, okay. And sometimes when you have this kind of confirmations, you go into a trade, okay. So the price closed it under this resistance, but in the same time the price can come back up again. So also I want to see EURJPY again, what it's trying to do. And GJ, I'm pretty sure that it will come back up again. I don't have any doubts. So yeah, pretty sure that it will come back up again, so no worries. The thing is that, where is it, currency string matter, I wanted to look here. So as you can see, the pound is very strong and the GPY is very weak, and in my mind that's why I can say that I can have a buy on this pair, okay. Plus GBP with the euro, it seems that the euro it's weak, and GBP the pound it's strong. That means that we can have a sell on the euro GBP, okay. And also the euro with GPY. Okay, here we cannot see a huge move, but also in the same time I'm expecting the price to continue to go up and to reject from that area, okay, to reject from this area and then to break and to continue to go up. The thing is that also now when it was a very strange period of time, because how do I say, even if I am giving, how you say, I mean, I don't force myself to have a trade, but I am waiting exactly how I have learned to trade Forex, and sometimes the price it's not doing, I mean, I put, how you say, I have put the resistance and the support, the price, let's say for example, close above or under the resistance or the support, but the price it didn't went in the direction that I was sure that it will go, okay. So that's why all the time we have to be careful, and all the time we have to prepare also for a loss. That's why I'm coming back again and saying that you should know with the trade management, okay, which is very, very, very important. Now it seems like the price is trying to push up. Let me go back to GJ. With the GJ the same, it seems like the price is trying to create here like a support, and this one it's trying to break through this area and then to continue to go up. So to be honest, I'm not I'm pretty sure that the GJ will do this, although he will play, you know, creating wicks and so on. This is the only thing that concerns me, how you say, it makes me think more before going into a trade, because for example GJ, it's creating so many wicks, okay, a lot of rejections, and also right now this thing can happen, okay. Let me see again EURJPY, and the EURJPY seems like it's trying to come back up. It's playing here, okay. So all the time we have to wait, and also if you're trading on the how you say, if you're doing an analysis on the trading view, you have the possibility to place your alerts and so on, okay. You have it also on your phone. Artem, I'm sorry, you are writing something, I think in it's what is this language? Russian. So I'm not a Russian girl and I don't speak Russian. Okay, so if you want to say something, you can say it on English. Okay. And if you say any stupid things, I will block you and kick you out. By the way, I want to thank you that I received a lot of messages, and with the people that they want to learn to trade, they want to take how you say, courses with me. They feel I don't know, they like what I'm posting and what I'm doing, and plus for those guys that they have sent me, I mean, it's crazy right now. I don't understand why people they do how you say, they take my identity, okay, creating accounts with my name, with my how you say, with my pictures and everything that I'm doing, and my god, it's crazy. And it seems like people are starting to be, I mean, it's freaky, you know, to see that this, it can happen, and plus that it happened twice in 2 days, okay. So I discovered 2 accounts in 2 days, which is crazy. And by the way, now they are closed. But I mean, I don't understand why you should do this, something like this. I mean, you don't have your own personality or maybe identity. I don't know. You don't have to be me or somebody else to receive likes, or I don't know why you must be obsessed to do something like this. I mean, it's really, really crazy. Okay. So yeah, I fixed also this problem. And by the way, in our country we have now they started to put a law about this, that if somebody is stealing your identity and it's how you say, pretending to be you, and stealing your pictures and so on. I don't know how is it in other countries. Maybe it's the same, I don't know. But here they started to give how you say, you can go to the prison, I don't know, 2 years, 5 years or something like this, if you are stealing someone's identity or you are trying to pretend to be someone else, okay. So I said that next time when I will discover a new account like this, next step it will be to go to the police to the police station, and then to do exactly what I have to do, because I'm tired to discover accounts, you know, 2 accounts in 2 days. I mean, it's crazy. So if somebody is doing this, I'm telling you from now that you can go to prison, and I don't think that it's too beautiful right there. Okay, so right now EURJPY, it seems like it's rejecting this trend line that I put it right here, and nothing it's doing too much right now, and I don't want to force something and going into a trade, although my idea it was that the price will come back down. And I said why, because it closed under this support, okay, and it seems that the price is not doing what I'm saying, so I'm not going into a trade. Okay, so this was my idea. Now, for example, EURJPY, it's in the same area, it's nothing really doing right now, so that's why I said that starting from Thursday, tomorrow again I cannot do it, so I will come maybe again at the same hour like now, but starting from Thursday definitely I want to start the sessions earlier, so my time it will be, I don't know, Romanian time 12:30, okay, midday, and your time, I don't know, I can say not 6:30, maybe 5:30 Eastern time, okay, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time, something like this. Okay, so I will post it on my, also on my Instagram and on the official page of BloomFX on the Instagram, and there I will post all the details for those that they want to watch me and see what I'm doing. And yes, I repeat myself, I will do the sessions earlier, because right now I don't find how you say, volatility on the market to have trades together. Okay, so if you have any questions you can ask me, and by the way we still have we have 30 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and then we will have another half an hour to see where the price is trying to go. Okay, let me go on the 1 hour, and on the 1 hour it seems like, okay, the price is coming down, but it seems like it's rejecting from this area, and here we have, let's say, like a strong zone, but if I'm doing higher and higher, yeah, I don't know, we have the possibility that the price can reject from here and come back down again, but I don't know what to say. I saw that around almost every 4 hour the trend is changing. I mean, like it happened here, I don't know, the price came back down today at 8 o'clock in the morning my time, and then boom, the candle went up, so the next 4 hours. So I don't know, it's crazy right now what's going on the market. I mean, I don't like even the candles, they're like this, very choppy, and they don't give me a real direction, even if I'm going through the higher time frames. Okay, so on the higher time frames it's telling me that the price it's going down. Okay, but until the price will do exactly what I'm saying to go down, it's doing these stupid and choppy things, you know, with the candles and so on. So maybe it's going to reject from this area and then to come back down. But until it's doing that thing, it's doing crazy things, and also it's kicking you out from the trade. That's why I suggest you to trade only with a smaller lot size right now. Okay, don't become how you say, supermans and think that you know everything about the forex, because you don't. And because also it happened with me that I said, oh my god, I had, believe me, so many trades in profits, and I don't know, one day what happened is just like somebody, it came in, it cut, I don't know, all my winnings. I don't know how to say. So that's why I said it can happen. So when it's happening, you have to know how to manage your trades, and you have to know when to trade with bigger lot size and when not to trade with bigger lot size. For example, me right now, I'm not trading with a bigger lot size because I don't like how the market is looking. It's very choppy. But if I'm when I'm trading with a higher lot size, okay, it means that I see something, I recognize something, a pattern that it gives me the confidence that I have almost 100% right. Okay. What do you say? Here we have a guy from Romania, Antonio. Ce frumos să vedem trade în Bucharest. You are from Romania too, from Bucharest, Antonio, or you just put it on the Google Translate? So what can I say? Welcome to my channel, and also you can watch me on the Instagram, on the official page of BlueMeFix, and when you feel confident, you can take the same trades like me. Okay, so I can see that you don't have any questions right now, although the market is not moving at all. So that's why I'm saying that, and I repeat myself that I will do the live streams earlier, because I like to trade more than talk, you know. So I prefer to make money. Okay, also this candle here on the 1 hour, I'm looking at EURJPY that it's rejecting from this area from here. Okay, so if we are putting, like, let's put here a horizontal line. So if you put it like this, you will see that you will have a lot of rejections. Okay, so like here, okay, here you had multiple touches, here again the price rejected again, also here rejected again, and it seems like here rejected once, and it seems like now it's rejecting again. So we have the possibility that the price may reject and come back up to retest again this area. Okay, good. Let's go to EURJPY. My god, I was right with this trend line. You see, so I don't really trade and use trend lines. I use them very rarely. Okay, so it seems like it's trying to respect what I'm doing here, but that means that in my mind that GJ will fall, but it's a little bit impossible, because right now the pound, it's strong, and GPY it's weak. I'm very curious how it will look the next 4-hour candle, because right now it seems like the price is not doing exactly what I want and what I was anticipating and what I was expecting. You know, I was expecting that the price coming back to 1 hour, the price, it will come back down again. But you know, it's very good that I didn't went into a trade. Why? Because I can see that here I have these rejections from here, and also this 4-hour candle, it didn't close. So if this 4-hour candle it's not closing, okay, so maybe you're trading this pair, maybe you want to trade it later on, I don't know, because for example in my case, when I'm out of the market, I don't look at all at them. Very rarely I look at them, only if the guys from my group they are asking me. But now it's like they grow up, it's like they know already what they're doing, okay, and I want to say that I'm very proud of them, because they are trying to create for them a new system, and they started to see some things, and they started to be profitable, and I'm very happy to hear that and to see that, because now I go into the chat and I watch them, and I can see that I'm very proud of them, because they worked a lot, and even if some guys they didn't took lessons with me, they started to be profitable also on demo. It doesn't matter, when you're profitable you are, but they started to be profitable because they are trying to create their own system that they bring them money, okay. So I don't know what else I should say. We still have 5 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close. So again, on the EURJPY, so if you want to trade this one, or maybe because I gave you the idea, I don't know what I will do later on, maybe I will not be on the market, but if you want to trade this one, and if this 4-hour candle is closing above this green line, okay, where you have the support, then you have the possibility to have a buy, okay. Why? Because I can see that this trend line that I put it here, it seems like that it's like respecting what I was saying, and maybe the price it will really reject from here, and it will come back up to 0.86700, around that area again, to retest again that area, or maybe the price will break even more. Sorry. Okay, so I wanted to say that oh my god, what happened? So this is on the 1 hour, and let me go on the 30-minute. And on the 30-minute, yes, it seems like that it's respecting this trend line, and the candles are trying to close higher and higher, okay. So there is a possibility that the price, it can come and retest again the 0.86700. Although if I'm looking better right now, the price it's like in a range area, so I don't see too much movement right now, okay. And if I put it like this on the 30-minute, for me it's even clear that the price is not doing exactly what I want, because it seems like it's in a range area. So I am waiting for the price to break either down at 86,377, or maybe to break at 86,700. So this is my kind of style of trading, but sometimes I don't know what's happening, that the market and the price is not going exactly where I anticipated, okay. Although I am waiting hours and hours and hours, okay, and in your case the same, I think that you are waiting hours and hours and hours. Well, what you can do, nothing much than to wait, because if you don't wait, you have the possibility to lose the money. Let me go back again on the currency string method. I don't know if you are using this, but it's very useful. I like to watch it, okay. So yeah, nothing much right now. And let me go on the EURJPY, and on the EURJPY it seems like on the 1 hour it's rejecting from this area, and let me see on the 30-minute where the price is trying to go. So we still have 1 minute for this 30-minute candle to close, but again I don't like what's going on here, because as you can see, if I'm putting like this, the price it's rejecting from this area, and only if it's going to break this 128, what do we have here, 128,650, then the price it may shoot up again. Okay, so right now I don't see a clear direction, okay, for the price, but it can break either up or down, but the rejections are from down, so I believe that the price will continue to go up. Well, let's see also this 30-minute how it's going to close on the 3 seconds. Okay, a new candle, it's going to open, and as you can see here, that's why I left it here and I put these 2 lines, okay, for you to see it. It's that maybe it's going to come, okay, and it's going to make another wick, so it will come back down again. The thing is that this candle, even if we had this rejection, it closed above this one, which is very important. Okay, so it's very important to see where the candles are closing, in which direction, if they are big, if they are small, the size, meaning that maybe you will find also you find these definitions on the Forex market with a hammer, or I don't know, with a hanging man. These candles are guiding you if the trend is going to change. Okay, we will not find it here right now, but sometimes you can find them, and especially on the higher time frames, and they can give you a clear direction where the price may go. Okay, so right now it seems like EURJPY, it's still playing around this area, so nothing much is doing. But if you want to have a buy, because as you can see here, euro, it's stronger than GPY. Okay, let's have a refresh. Okay, so it's in the same situation. It seems like the price, it may continue to go up, maybe to retest again this week of 128,695. Plus, the thing is that this candle, this small bullish candle, it closed above this area from here. Okay, and also from here. So what I wanted to say is that wait all the time for the confirmation, because otherwise you can lose trades. I am waiting also for confirmations all the time. That's why sometimes I don't give signals very fast, and maybe I don't know, I'm trying to concentrate on what's happening on the market, but it seems that it's very, very difficult, okay, to have trades right now. And let's say that because I'm how do I say, it's like not pushing myself to have a trade, but when I say that I'm giving something, well, it's like I have to give it, okay? But the thing is that right now the market is very, very difficult, and I suggest you again, learn before you trade, and if you are trading, trade with a smaller lot size, because it's very difficult right now to have trades. And also right now was exactly what I was telling you. I know that right now EURJPY is coming back down to create a wick. Okay, I don't think that the price will come down and break everything that we have here. I mean, it can be crazy if the price is doing something like this, because also this candle, it closes higher and higher. That's why I said sometimes I really don't understand what the market, the price, it's doing, you know. So right now on the 30 minutes it's like ranging, and if you want to trade EURJPY, you have to wait for the 4-hour candle to close. Okay, and what else? EURJPY, it seems like it's trying to continue to go up. Okay, but it seems like it's rejecting from this area and from this area too. I don't know what to say. Let me go back to my currency strength method. You should take this one also. Okay, oops. So it seems like nothing can happen right now. So guys, if you are here and if you want to ask any questions, please ask me. Okay, don't hesitate and ask me. It seems like EURJPY is rejecting, and why? Because I don't see gaining strength from JPY. You see, that's why I don't understand right now what's going on the market. That's why I said that it's very difficult right now to trade. Plus you have to wait for the 4-hour candle to close, because as you can see, we have these multiple rejections from here, and we can have a clear direction that maybe right now on this half an hour, this how you say, this candle to stay around somewhere here, okay, of 128,500, I don't know, around this area, and then the next candle to continue to go up, because here it seems like the price it's like created a support. Okay, so this is like on the 4-hour. That's why I see only buy and I don't see a sell, even that the price it's it rejected many times from here and also from this what do we have here, 128,700. Okay, so again, if you want to go into a trade, wait before doing it, because right now it's like the market is doing just a very small retracement, okay, before going up again. Not this one. This one, it will change direction. I don't even bother. This one, it's like trying to push up, and maybe it will hit this red line from here of 86,500, and then the price to come back down again. Maybe, I don't know. So again, I repeat myself, if you have any questions, you can ask me. And if you have any suggestions, or I don't know, you want to say something, you can do it right now, because I will not stay too much on the market. And I told you that started from Thursday. I will come back and do the live session earlier, because right now I don't see a pretty good movement on the market, and that's why I want to shift a little bit the time and to have trades earlier, okay, when the market is moving faster. We have how you say, much more volatility. So if you want to trade today, right now I don't see anything much to give me the direction, a clear direction. Wait for the 4-hour candle to close, because like this you will have a confirmation, okay, and after you have the confirmation you can go into a trade, okay. So for those that they are already on my group chat, they can ask questions, but or I don't know, send charts and so on. But the people that they are already on my group, they started to be profitable because they started to create their own system that they can make money, which I am very proud. Come on, EURJPY, it's amazing where it's trying to go. Now it's like 50-50. I'm very curious how this 4-hour candle will close. Look at this huge rejection, okay? It's amazing. I mean, I don't see why it's doing like this. GBPUSD, what do you think? GBPUSD, it's in the same situation. It seems like it's rejecting from this area, okay, where, as you can see, here the price is rejected. Why? Because you have these rejections to here, and the price created like a resistance here, and we have to wait again for the 4-hour candle to close, because here we are on the 4-hour chart, okay, and we have to wait and see exactly where the price is trying to go, because it may reject from this area, okay. If the price is breaking through this zone, it's simple. Maybe the next 4-hour candle, okay, in 17 minutes, we have to wait what this one is trying to do, okay, to either break through the zone, or maybe to how you say, to reject from this area and then to come back down again. So if the price will break through 1.39250, then the next stop should be around here of 1.39956, somewhere there, okay, around that area. If not, the price will do a bounce from here and come back down again, maybe to retest again this area, or maybe to continue to go even deeper of 137. But don't imagine that this will happen right now today, okay. So it's like, in my mind, I don't think that the price will do too much, because also we don't have too much volatility, and I suppose that the price will do a beautiful move tomorrow when we have the London session. Okay, so I think it's better to prepare at that time, not now, because right now the candles they cannot go into a favor, plus they're doing a lot of rejections and they can touch and catch your stop loss. Okay, so you should be very careful and try to trade with a smaller lot size. Plus here you don't understand, I mean the price closed above this line where I put it, and it seems like the price should continue to go up. Okay, but also these little candles from here, I think it's also I don't know how to call it, if it's hanging man. No, I think it's the other one, I don't know. Also this one, it closed without any wick. That means that there is no range for the next candle to continue to go up, and that's why the candle rejected and came back down again. But it's very crazy and very choppy, the market. And look how many rejections you have, how many, it's very ugly, the market. So that's why I say, and I suggest you don't over trade, or maybe trade with a bigger with a smaller lot size, because with a bigger lot size you can lose a lot of money. Okay, so this is what I'm saying to you, and also I'm saying to myself too. Okay, I'm not over trading, I know when to stop. But the thing is that I know how to manage my trades, and let's say, I don't know how to say, I'm not afraid of them, or if a price is going to a drawdown and so on, because let's say that I have passed already that moment that I was feeling scared when the price was going in the wrong direction. Now let me go back to EURJPY, because I'm really curious how the price it wants to come and close right now, and it seems like we still have 14 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, and it's like rejecting from this area, but I really want to see where it wants to go. Okay, so on the 4-hour it's like rejecting from this area, but if the price is coming back down, it seems like it means that GPY it has to be stronger. So it seems like when I'm looking right here, or maybe I have this one, it's very weak, but in the same time the price is going down. So I really don't understand what's wrong and what's going on right now on the market. Okay, let me go back to EURJPY to see. My god, it's crazy. I mean, it's going like crazy up. This is on the 30-minute. Let me see 1 hour. It's amazing. The 4-hour, how it's rejecting. I mean, where do you want to go? You wanted to go up. That means that the other pairs will the price will go down. Pete, Madi, what are your thoughts on gold, please? Let's go to gold. It's simple. This I already put it because I am how you say, I'm doing analysis, you know, over the day to the pair. So it's simple. In this case, do not enter. Okay, if you want, you can have a very good looking, how you say, or maybe you want to mark up your chart like this. The thing is that when I'm trading something, I mark up my chart like this, okay? I can say that right now gold, it's like in a very ugly area, okay, which I suggest you not to trade. But if the price, okay, let me go also on the 30-minute, maybe it's easier for you to see it. If the price will break through these areas, okay, down it's 17.15, okay, and if the price is breaking down here and closing, you can have a sell, and this is your first take profit. Why? Because here you have your next support, okay, so your take profit can be 17.07, and if the price will break and close above 17.34, then you can have a buy, and your first take profit could be here at 17.39, and you can have also a second take profit at 17.47. That's why it's very difficult right now. And I told you also before, it's very difficult right now to trade. Look at the price, how it's looking. It's very ugly. I mean, okay, let's say that you can put a trend line and think that, okay, I can put a trend line here and another one here. And it seems like if it's rejecting from here, the price, it will continue to go back down again. But look also here, what happened at 17.27, where the price is rejecting too. So it's like, it's in a stupid range area, I don't know how to call it, and that's why I put this zone not to trade it. And you can have these entries from here. So I'm not saying about breaking, I'm saying about closing, okay, the price, okay, so the price, this is a breaking, okay, the price breaks through this area, but no, you need a closure, okay. So I suggest you do not enter right now, and wait for the best opportunity for you if you like to trade gold, although it's very difficult, and you need a lot of experience to trade this pair, okay. So again, if you have any questions, you can ask me. Let's go on the 15. On the 15, it seems like, let's put here a very small line. I don't know what to say. It's very choppy, okay, although don't forget that we still have 9 minutes, okay, 8 minutes for this 4-hour candle to close, and the price is looking very ugly, okay, I really don't like it. And I think you know already when I am pretty sure when I'm going into a trade. Okay, so Pete, what did you say there? Thank you, very good and clear explanation. With pleasure, and I am waiting you every day here. If you have any questions, or maybe you can suggest something, or maybe you can send a chart to watch it together and so on. Okay, so again, also for this pair, don't overtrade it, because it's very difficult to trade right now gold, okay, very difficult, and I suggest you not to play with fire. I like to call it like this, okay. So in the 7 minutes, if this candle it's closing above this green line, we have the possibility that the next candle should continue to go up, because also it's closing above this how you say, this resistance from here, and it seems like here is trying to create like a support. But again, I don't suggest you to trade because you are in a very strong and stupid area. GBP CAD, please. Where is it? I don't see CAD. GBP CAD again. Wait for the 6 minute, for the 4-hour candle to close, and we will do a very short analysis also on the 30-minute. As you can see here, the price is rejecting from this area. Okay, here you have the support and here you have the resistance. Okay, let me do it also like this, bigger. Okay, so here you have the resistance and here you have the support. As you can see, the price here rejected because you had this crazy setup right here, which I really don't like it. If we are going on the 1 hour, you will see that I have marked up very well my chart, and you will see even better why the price is rejecting from this area. Okay, and if we are going on the 4 hour, it seems like it can do the same thing, so you should be very careful. Because this pair brush, here it is, the brush, bam, it looks like it can do a W. Okay, this is in my mind, but we have to wait for the price to give us how you say, the best confirmation, okay, before going into a trade. To be honest, right now, because I'm looking at the chart, I cannot say that if I'm seeing here this candle, it seems like on the 4 hour, yes, the direction is going to change. There is the possibility that the direction to be changed, because also here it happened the same thing. But what I can say is that if this 4 hour candle is closing higher than this bearish candle, wait for the price to break through this area, where is it, of 1.76, let's say 300. Okay, so wait another almost 20 pips, and then you can have a buy, and then you can play on the 4 hour chart and let the price move and to continue to go up. Okay, what did you say there? Please write your Instagram. Okay, if you want to. Where is it? Okay, it's, what do you have here? Okay, so this is my Instagram for those that they were asking about me. Okay, what did you say there, Antonio? Gold will go to 1721. Let's see, 1721. You mean that it's going to reject from this area and it will come back down again? You see how much it moved the candle? My God. It is possible for the price to go there. We don't know, but I told you I'm not trading around this area, and although I'm trading very rarely gold, because I have to find the best opportunities to go into the trade. And although right now I explained you that we have a very crazy period of time, and maybe I think it's because, let's say, like the wave of of everything that what happened also in the last year, or I don't know, also with the Bitcoin, also with the vaccines, also with the virus, also with the election, with the new president. And I think it's like a wave which is moving the market, and it needs to calm down, you know. So now we are like in the seaside, and it's very choppy, and we need a lake, you know, where it's the water is very calm and where we can go into the trades. So this is with GBP/CAD. So normally the price, let's see, on the 4-hour it's rejecting from this area. I have explained you, I am waiting for the price to create a W, and it's the same thing also with GJ. Now coming back to EURJPY, and also the 4-hour candle, it's closing, and although we are having here a lot of rejections, it seems like the price here rejected, okay, and here it's like creating a support, and the next candle should continue to go up. We don't know, but in the same time, as you can see, we are in a downtrend, okay. So I don't know what to say. We still have 19 seconds for this 4-hour candle to close, and let me go on the 30-minute chart, because I want to see how these little candles are looking right here. And as you can see how it played, okay, this candle, it came right back down and then up, and then it closed, I mean, I don't know, at the same price. It means that the candle, it's open and it closed almost at the same price. And the thing is that it's in the same box that I put it right here, you know, with the yellow lines, okay. But this candle, it closed it higher than this one, okay. So that's why I said that I'm expecting that this one to continue to go up, and pretty sure that the price will come back down, create a wick, and come back up again. So let's see on the 1-hour what EURJPY is trying to say, and how the currency strength meter it's looking. So GBP, it's still strong, GPY, it's weak, and Euro, it's strong. So we are in the same situation and position, okay. So it seems like EURJPY should continue to go up, and maybe to retest first this week, because you remember that first when you have momentum, the wicks are they are filled. And the second thing is that the next take profit, let's say, could be here where I put also the resistance, which is 128,750, around that area, okay. But in the same time, the price can come back down, create a wick, retest again this area of 128, and then to come back up again. We don't know. So also let me see what else do we have here. So EURJPY, it closed here. Let me see on the 4-hour. So EURJPY, I don't know, I don't see very well, I need some glasses. So for this one, the price should come back down again, maybe to retest again this week, yes, also this week from here, and also this trend line, and maybe to come back up again. So it's still playing around this area, which I really don't like it. In my case, that I have been in a trade of GJ, I'm pretty sure that GJ, it will continue to go up. So I will not have any problems, and I'm saying this why, because I told you from the beginning that I'm expecting GJ, GCAD, maybe GU to do, let me see, this no, but GJ and GCAD to do the W, okay. And that means that the price should continue to go up, okay. And to retest again this area, but please do this only when you have a very good confirmation, okay. And at the GJ, I'm expecting the same thing, and I think that it's creating the same thing of the W, and the price will continue to go up. Okay, I don't know if it's going right now or right back to 150, but this is the first target of 149, let's say 300. Okay, so guys, if you don't have any questions about, I don't know, any pairs or entries or something like this, I suggest you to not overtrade. Don't forget that tomorrow I will enter on the live session around at the same hour like today, but starting from Thursday, I will start to do live sessions earlier, because at that time I'm pretty sure that we will catch beautiful moves, and the market is moving differently. Now at this hour I really don't like how it's moving. And also, as you can see here, if we are going, look at the hour, and also in the morning in the London session was very beautifully, and the market went beautifully up, but unfortunately I couldn't enter in the market, in the trade, so I couldn't catch anything. So it seems like EURJPY is doing what I am expecting, okay, that the price should continue to go up. Where is it? I want to check again EURJPY and EURJPY. Again, I'm saying that if the price will continue to go up, okay, although I really don't like that. Here on the 1 hour, the price closed it. Here you see it happened, this rejection right here. So it's kind like really difficult right now. If you want to have a buy, maybe wait for the price to come back down and retest again this area of 0.86378, okay, because this maybe it's trying to do this pair. And also if you are going back on the 4-hour chart, the candle is going down, creating a wick, and then maybe coming back up again. So this is one of my ideas, that what this pair can do right now. Okay, so maybe it's going to break this trend line, and maybe it's going to retest again this area and to come back up again, and maybe it's doing a fake out. I don't know, you must have a lot of time to stay on the market, and that means that you should be a full-time trader, or maybe you should go in the market exactly when you have time. And I suggest you to go on the London session, or on the New York session, or maybe in the Asia session. I don't know your different time, but be careful when you are going into a trade, and to choose your best time, because if you don't choose it well, then there is the possibility that the price, the candles, they are not moving fast, and you will end up losing a lot of time, and you're losing your patience and so on. Coming back to GJ, oh come on, move, it's not moving. So coming back to GJ, it seems like this candle now it's trying to continue to go up. Okay, so very soon I'm gonna have my trade on green. So that's why I said I'm not afraid of anything, and you saw that I said 1 hour in the drawdown, and I'm still a little bit on a drawdown. And you should not feel afraid when the price it's going into a drawdown, because all the time, and if you're sure that your trade is going into your direction, I don't know how to say, well, be sure that that thing will happen. And also if you did very well your analysis, so you have to feel how you say, you have to work with you psychologically, because there is how you say, the bigger problem, because if you don't work with you first of all, then you will not be able to have trades, because all the time you will be afraid of drawdowns, or maybe losing some money, or maybe you will end up starting crying because you lost some trades and so on. So this is about Forex, because sometimes you can lose money, and sometimes you can make beautiful money, but instead of losing a lot of money, it's better to know how to manage your trades and to lose less money. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I am waiting for you also tomorrow around at the same hour, and starting, I repeat myself, starting from Thursday we will do our session earlier. Okay, so Antonio, it seems like gold, it's not going where you said. Okay, or maybe it's going to go later on. Maybe right now it's going to create the wick and then to come back down again. We don't know, but I hope that you are not in that trade. Okay, so as we can see, that's why your candle, it didn't fall and it didn't went to 120. No, what did you said? To 1721, you said, Antonio. I think this is your name. Okay, so that's why I said never rush going into a trade. Wait, because you don't have anything else to do than waiting, and when you have time to wait, then you can do something else. Maybe you are working, maybe you are doing some other stuff, maybe, I don't know, cooking, so on, or going into the park, or I don't know, doing something. But don't put a pressure on you, because if you'll have any pressure, then you will end up losing money. Okay, what did you say, Pete? Confidence in your analysis is important. Yes, of course. If you don't have any confidence, then you will be dead, because the market will eat you alive. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching, and I am waiting for you tomorrow. Okay, don't overtrade.